Inovace started its journey back in 2015 when a bunch of engineers teamed up to solve a certain organization's problem. The problem was to create a centralized attendance system for an organization that had different type of workforces and its operation in different locations. Later in 2017, Inovace started its official journey with a mission to create connected IoT systems that will empower organizations to remove their manual inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and gives a centralized overview for different layers of stakeholders. We have introduced two different IoT platforms named Tipsoi and SensorTrail. Tipsoi is our biometric applications platform for people and workforce management solutions. We manufacture our own biometric verification devices for Tipsoi. These are some of them.
Thank you.
On the other hand, SensorTrail is our industrial IoT platform where we provide solutions for production facility owners, industries, and manufacturers. Through SensorTrail, we can provide centralized overview systems for various production processes. Our innovation in hardware manufacturing has enabled us to create customized systems for each organization according to their processes. We can also manufacture customized hardware for various industrial applications. The global IoT market is expected to reach $1.5 trillion by 2030. The biometric authentication market's growth rate will reach 14.6% by 2026. Increasing demands and huge potential of success in developing and developed countries in sectors such as banking, MNCs, manufacturing, and SMEs are clearly visible. So we are well positioned to take advantage of this market and foster our long-term growth through our platforms like Tipsoi and SensorTrail. Talking about our business model, our revenue streams are basically Tipsoi and SensorTrail hardware sales, Tipsoi and SensorTrail subscription fees, outsourcing our design and engineering talents, enterprise license fee for Tipsoi and SensorTrail software solutions. Our revenue channels are basically direct sales, corporate sales partnerships, and various types of partnerships like integration, white labeling, dealer market partnerships, and partnerships with government institutions. Moving on to Inovace's position in the market right now, we have installed over 10,000 devices across the nation, connected 500,000 users to our systems, and served more than 1,200 clients nationwide. This client list includes big names like Unilever Bangladesh, BRAC Bank, Walton, Food Panda, etc. Looking ahead, our goals include international growth. Our projected revenue for this year is $1 million, and we are aiming for $8 million in revenue by 2028. Inovace Technologies is now seeking funding to fuel our growth. We'll use these funds to strengthen R&D for our next generation IoT solutions, expand globally and increase our market presence. We will improve our customer acquisition system and scale our operations for the global presence. We are committed to transforming industries, organizations, and their processes. Join us in driving sustainable growth. Let's shape the future together. Thank you.